Welcome, fellow adventurers. Today, I embark on an unforgettable journey through vibrant Kingston, Jamaica. Discover the hidden gem of Water Lane, an extraordinary art district by the water's edge. Immerse yourself in the culture, beauty, and good vibes of this captivating neighborhood. Witness the city's rhythm come alive with vibrant murals and reggae beats. Join me as I meet warm-hearted locals and explore many parishes during my 5-day stay. In the heart of Kingston lies a hidden gem, a street with a rich history and a captivating transformation. Welcome to Water Lane, the thriving art district that has become the epicenter of creativity in Kingston. Today, we uncover the captivating story behind this remarkable place. Kingston, a city with a legacy of artistic expression, was always destined to have its own artistic haven. However, it wasn't until the early 2000s that Water Lane emerged from obscurity and transformed into the bustling hub we see today. But few know the secret catalyst behind this extraordinary metamorphosis. Water Lane has a surprising past that not many people are aware of. It was once a bustling trade route during the colonial era, connecting the riverfront to the heart of the city. The lane played a crucial role in the city's commerce and was lined with various merchant shops. As time went by, the importance of Water Lane diminished, and the once thriving street fell into neglect. But destiny had other plans for this forgotten lane. Presenting an exquisite display of artistic brilliance, the captivating art murals adorning the vibrant streets of downtown Kingston emanate from the visionary efforts of Kingston Creative. This remarkable non-profit art organization holds a profound mission to harness the power of Jamaican art and culture, orchestrating a transformative tide of social and economic change. As an ardent admirer of the arts, I am utterly enthralled by this ingenious initiative. Nestled at the heart of Jamaica's cultural of street art, downtown Kingston exudes a palpable aura steeped in heritage and legacy. Its historic edifices, intricately intertwined with our nation's narrative, stand as steadfast beacons celebrating diverse art forms. Among these esteemed landmarks, the National Art Gallery takes center stage, a magnificent testament to the mastery of public art. A cornucopia of cultural havens punctuate this domain, amplifying the resonance of its shared identity. Sister Nancy has paved the way for female artists in the male-dominated dancehall scene. She broke barriers and challenged norms, proving that women can thrive and excel in the industry. Her contributions to the genre have influenced numerous artists and have helped shape the sound and culture of Jamaican music. Bunny Wailer, who played a vital role in popularizing reggae music globally. His music carried the spirit of Jamaican culture and Rastafari, promoting messages of peace, love, and social consciousness. His contributions to reggae helped establish it as a powerful musical genre worldwide. Bunny Wailer received recognition for his outstanding musical talent, winning 3 of 5 Grammy nominations. Popcaan, born Andre Hugh Sutherland, has amassed a global fanbase. His music effortlessly blends dancehall, reggae, and pop influences, creating a unique sound that resonates with audiences worldwide. Grace LaToya Hamilton, better known as Spice, captivates audiences with her bold personality and unapologetically explicit lyrics. Vybz Kartel, also recognized as a Dji Pocket, commands the dancehall scene with his thought-provoking verses and charismatic delivery, despite his controversial nature. Irlon Bartley, widely known as Alkaline, enchants listeners with his unique appearance and lyrical prowess, setting himself apart from the crowd. All these artists just seen showcase the diverse and dynamic talents of Jamaican dancehall music. As you wander through the lively streets of Water Lane, remember that beneath the surface lies a captivating history and a vibrant present. It's a place where creativity thrives, where hidden gems await discovery, and where art breathes life into forgotten spaces. Me hungry. And what better way to satisfy my cravings than with some mouth-watering delicacies? I'm heading to the iconic Heroes Circle, known for its mouth-watering, spicy crabs. It's been a good 2 decades since I've savored this Jamaican treasure, and I can hardly contain my excitement. The streets are alive with vibrant colors, lively music, and the rhythmic energy that makes Kingston so special. As I drive through the city of Kingston, the aroma of freshly cooked seafood dances through the air, captivating my senses. These vendors, with their friendly smiles, expertly prepare these succulent crabs with a mix of secret spices, passed down through generations. It's a true labor of love that you can taste in every bite. So sit back and relax and enjoy the ride. Embarking on an exquisite 5-day escapade through the enchanting lands of Jamaica, I am thrilled to guide you on a captivating journey that unveils the country's unrivaled splendor. Prepare to be captivated as we delve into the vibrant heart of St. Catherine, where we will encounter its picturesque beaches, each a captivating masterpiece in its own right. But it is the mesmerizing Hillshire Beach that truly steals the spotlight, with its powdery sands and crystal-clear turquoise waters that beckon you to immerse yourself in pure bliss. We venture further, our path leads us to the majestic city of Kingston, where history and natural beauty seamlessly intertwine. A highlight of this exploration is the revered Emancipation Park, a symbol of freedom and resilience. Here, I shall regale you with tales of the park's storied past, while we bask in its serene ambience and take in the breathtaking vistas that surround us. From the lush greenery to the majestic sculptures, every aspect of this park exudes a sense of grandeur and pride. But our journey doesn't end there. Prepare to be awestruck as we'll embark on a scenic drive from Kingston to the magnificent Montego Bay. Along this picturesque route, we will be treated to a kaleidoscope of breathtaking views that showcase the diversity and natural wonders of this remarkable island. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with vibrant hues, we will witness the sheer beauty of Jamaica's coastline, with its rugged cliffs and pristine beaches merging seamlessly with the azure waters of the Caribbean Sea. Throughout this unforgettable expedition, I will strive to capture the essence of Jamaica's unparalleled charm and showcase its hidden gems. Join me on this extraordinary voyage, where each day promises new discoveries and cherished memories. From the rhythmic beats of reggae to the tantalizing aromas of jerk cuisine, let us immerse ourselves in the rich tapestry of Jamaican culture and indulge in the sheer magnificence that this tropical paradise has to offer. Prepare to be mesmerized as I embark on this once-in-a-lifetime journey through the soul-stirring wonders of Jamaica. Join me next time as I uncover the fascinating street market of Kingston, from the cultural everyday life, revealing the hidden gems that lie in this busy city.